First open Start and type CMD. Right-click and select Run SA Administration. Type this following command and press Enter. Now restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open a folder. Go to C. Open Program Files. Delete your Riot Vanguard folder. Now right-click your shortcut and select Run as Administration. Now wait for Vanguard to be installed. After installing, restart the computer to finish the installation process. If that didn't work, open Start menu and click on Setting. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.